Something huge is shaking the whole kingdom. And it's not an earthquake. Deep in the ancient woods, a massive T-Rex has been hiccuping for 3 days straight. All the knights are running away, but not Princess Ella. She's got a plan. Ella sneaks right up to that dinosaur's giant nose and tickles it with a soft feather. The sneeze that comes next is so big that every window in the kingdom rattles and shakes. But guess what? The hiccups are gone. Now the T-Rex and Ella are the best of friends. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do isn't wearing armor. It's being kind and thinking creatively.